Hello everybody, we are here at the Mesquite Seventh-day Adventist Church, and we are sharing with our community some food that we've been blessed with. We got a whole 18-wheeler worth of food, which is 25 pallets here. You have 70 boxes per pallet and gallons of milk. We were able to give out 1,750 boxes. We've been able to share with multiple ministries, multiple Seventh-day Adventist churches, some homeless shelters, and just the community, you know, family, friends. We're just telling everybody to come out, get boxes, think beyond yourself. You may be fine, your refrigerator might be fine, but this is an opportunity for you to check on your neighbor. This is an opportunity for churches to get out and make an impact in the community, because we got this free food. Everything belongs to God if we are believers, and He says He has 1,000 cattle over hills, and so God has really blessed these farmers who've been able to pass on to the community, and the government getting involved in distributing these boxes. So just come out and share. And whenever you hear about this, don't think only of what you need in your refrigerator, but think about who you can bless. You'll be surprised, you know, who could use a box of food. So I want to thank Abagusii Global Radio for coming out here and seeing what we're doing and passing the word. We got started by being invited by New Life, shared their food with the Mesquite Church. We went and picked up food from there, and now we've been blessed with a truck, and we're sharing with everybody. So if you're serving God, just be consistent, do it at a small capacity, and if you show yourself faithful in a small capacity, then God will entrust you with bigger loads. So we're giving out food today. We have a truck today. We never know when we'll be called for another delivery. As soon as we get a call, we'll post it. So you can go to Abagusii Global Radio. You'll see a flyer. You can check the Mesquite SDA Church, the Instagram account or the Facebook. And there are other churches too in the community that do get blessed. Dallas First every so often, Dallas New Life. Just give a shout out to all of them who are doing this good work. Address here is 422 South E. Bright Street, Mesquite, Texas, and the zip is 75149. The Mesquite Seventh-day Adventist Church. I think that's all we have to share with you today.
Okay.